Have you ever tried to make your own tortilla wrap at home? If you fold it this way, squeeze it hard, and then unfold it, do you see breakages? If yes, worry no more. I got you covered. Okay, in a bowl, pour in 2.5 cups of hard flour. To that, add 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder and then half teaspoon of salt. Mix all together and then add 50 grams of butter. If you're using salted butter or salted margarine, please omit the salt, okay? And then we rub in the butter till we get something like a breadcrumbs. Add 200 ml of water. You can also use lukewarm water as well, okay? Then we mix all together to get a firm dough. Now go ahead and dust your board using the same type of flour, okay? We are using hard flour here, and then you bring the dough to the board, sprinkle some flour on top and begin to knead. Now roll all into a ball. And then drop that beautiful dough into a bowl. Here I'll go ahead and then sprinkle some oil on top. We are in Harmattan season here in Ghana and I don't want my dough to dry up, okay? Cover with napkin and then allow it to rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, dust your board again. Bring the dough to the board. Sprinkle some flour on it. Now get ready to get yourself dirty. So I'll be squeezing it into balls. Just like that. We will dust the board again using the same type of flour. We are using hard flour once again. So take one ball, sprinkle some flour on it. Here I dust my rolling pin and then begin to roll. Remember, you can also use all-purpose flour. Oops, I forgot to tell you that your pan should be on fire by now, but put it on low heat, okay? Somebody is helping me with that. Your pan should be heated before you put in the wrap, okay? Take notes. Now I will put my bowl on it. I want the shape of this bowl, and then I go ahead and trim it beautifully. All right, just like I said, my pan is already on fire but on low heat, so by now it's well heated. So I'll gently take my sheet and then I spread it in the pan. So one thing you should know about tortilla wrap is that if you don't want your wrap to appear very hard, it's the hardness that causes the breakages when you are wrapping, like when you're using it to make shawarma or something like that. So make sure that you keep it moist. I'll first put the wrap on a paper towel and then I cover again with another paper towel. Then finally I cover with my napkin to keep it moist. We don't want it to dry, and besides we are in Harmattan season here in Ghana, so when it becomes hard it will cause breakages when you are using it to wrap, okay? And we don't want that to happen. You have to keep it moist. Somebody is helping me out as I'm doing this. She's also rolling the dough for me. That is why your girl is going fast and fast. And we are done. We had about how many? Count it for me. Now let me demonstrate for you to see. So I'll fold and then squeeze it hard and go ahead and unfold. No breakages, and it doesn't tear so easily. That is why it's good to use hard flour. If this were to be soft flour, it's easy to tear, but this one is not like that. So I fold again and then unfold. I fold again, squeeze and then unfold. Look at this. No breakages, no lies. I just love it, and I hope from today onwards you can make the best tortilla wrap at home. In my next video, I'll be using this tortilla wrap to make this amazing thing you are seeing on your screen, and I don't think you will love to miss this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye bye.